morning class 10. In the last session of Zoom, we had discussed about indicators and the properties of acid. So I am going to explain that here so that if you are not able to understand, you can see this video and understand. Okay? First of all, we had discussed in the starting that acids are those substances which are sour in taste and bases are those substances which are bitter in taste. But can we really taste the substance in the lab to check whether it is acidic or basic? No, obviously, because the acids and bases and the chemicals that we use in the lab, that cannot be checked by tasting it. We can only check by it by using some chemical substances known as indicators. Okay? So to find out whether the substance is acidic, basic or neutral, we use indicators. So what are indicators basically? Indicators are those substances which gives different colors when they come in contact with acid and base. Okay? So what are indicators? We can also write that indicators are those substances that is used to find acidity or alkalinity of a solution. Alkalinity का मतलब होता है basicity. ठीक है? The base is also known as alkaline. So the indicator are the substances that is used to find the acidity and alkalinity of the solution. Okay? Here you can see basically there are two types of indicators. Okay? The natural indicators and synthetic indicators. Natural indicators are those that can be found from the natural substances such as plants and animals. Okay? And the synthetic indicators are those which can be made by using chemicals. Some examples of natural indicators are litmus solution. You all must have seen in the lab about the red litmus and blue litmus. The second is turmeric, जो हम घर में use करते हैं, हल्दी, and the third is red cabbage juice. Now, litmus is a type of indicator which is known as acid-base indicator. Why? Because it gives different color in acidic solution and different color in basic solution. If you will, there are two types of litmus that we use, that is blue litmus and red litmus. Why it is called natural indicator? Because it can be found from the chemical released by lichen. Now what is lichen? We all have seen, discussed in the bio that lichen or lichen, that can be lichen is a type of mutual combination of an algae and a fungus. ठीक है? तो wherever that lichen is formed, उससे chemical release होता है. From that chemical we can make a natural indicator called litmus. ठीक है? Litmus, if the blue litmus turns red in the solution, that solution will be acidic. If red litmus turns blue in the solution, that the solution will be basic. And if red remains red and the blue remains blue, that will be known as neutral solution. Okay? Now the next is turmeric. Turmeric is a yellow color substance. अगर आप turmeric को किसी acidic solution में डालोगे, it will remain red. But if you will add into the basic solution, it turns to red. That means it is basically a type of basic indicator which help us to find out whether the substance is basic or not. Third is red cabbage juice. Red cabbage juice is extract of red cabbage which is basically red in color. Okay? When you will add it into the acidic solution, it remains red. But if you will add this into the basic solution, it turns to green color. That means अगर हमने आपको दो solutions दिए, both are unknown, one is acidic, one is basic, and you have red cabbage juice. So you will add two drops of that juice into both the solutions, in which it will turns to green, that is basic, and the other one in which it remains red, that is acidic solution. Okay? Now there are two synthetic indicators that we use in our lab, that is phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Okay? Phenolphthalein is a very strong chemical which is colorless, look like water. Okay? And if you will add this phenolphthalein in water, it will in acid it remains colorless. It is actually a colorless, look like water. And if you will add this phenolphthalein in acidic solution, it remains colorless. But if you will add it into the base, it turns to dark pinkish red color. Okay? Second is methyl orange. Methyl orange, as the name is telling, it is yellowish orange in color. Okay? It remains yellowish orange in base, but it turns to red color when comes in contact with acid. So these are some indicators that can be used to find out in the lab whether the solution is acidic, basic or neutral. Okay. Now our next topic is that we had already discussed the properties of acid. Okay. We had discussed three physical properties of acids, that is acids are sour in taste, acids are corrosive in nature and acid turns blue litmus to red. Now we discuss chemical properties of acid. Okay. Basically there are three chemical properties that we are going to discuss in this video, that is reaction of acid with metals, reaction of acid with metallic oxides and the reaction of acid with metal carbonate. Okay? So now we are going to explain the first property of acid, that is reaction of acid with metals. Okay? When any active metal react with acid, now what is meant by active metal? आप लोगों ने in class 8 you must have studied about the reactivity series. Reactivity series is a series of metal in which the metals are arranged in a vertical column in the decreasing order of their reactivity, like potassium, calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium, zinc, iron, like this they are arranged. उसमें बीच में हाइड्रोजन भी आता है. ठीक है? So the metals which are present above hydrogen in the reactivity series can displace hydrogen from acid because they are more reactive than hydrogen. So only those metals which are present above hydrogen that will be more reactive than hydrogen, they will only react with the acid to liberate hydrogen gas. So whenever any active metals such as zinc, magnesium, calcium, potassium, okay, when they reacts with the dilute acid, why dilute acid? Because concentrated acid is very strong. अगर हम concentrated use करेंगे, it may splash out from the beaker, it may produce very large amount of heat, we can get burst, so we use dilute acids. ठीक है? When zinc reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, it forms zinc sulfate and liberates hydrogen gas. Similarly, if I take magnesium, so when magnesium reacts with dilute acid, it can be sulfuric acid, it can be hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. When magnesium reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, it forms magnesium chloride and liberates hydrogen gas. Here you can see, when magnesium reacts with HCl, it forms magnesium chloride and liberates hydrogen gas. Okay? For this we can perform an activity. You can see here, for this we'll take a beaker. Okay? In this beaker we'll take some amount of zinc granules. इसमें हमने लिया थोड़ा सा zinc. Then we pour some dilute acid into it. Dilute H2SO4 can be added. ठीक है? और dilute HCl can be added. जैसे ही आप उसमें ऐड करोगे acid, it start producing a colorless bubbles of a gas. ठीक है? How to check the presence of that gas, whether the gas is hydrogen or not? So what we'll do, we'll take a burning matchstick, okay, and we'll bring it near the mouth of test tube. If it produces pop sound, that means the gas which is liberated is hydrogen gas. Okay? So simply this reactivity, I'll show you further in the lab this activity. The second property of acid is the reaction of acid with metal oxides. Now, metal oxides are basic in nature. Generally, metal oxides are basic in nature. और हमने neutralization reaction में पढ़ा था, whenever any acid reacts with base, it forms salt and water. तो जब कोई metallic oxide acid से react करेगा, then it will form salt and water. For example, when zinc oxide reacts with sulfuric acid, here also we will take dilute acid. When zinc oxide reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, it forms metallic salt and form water. And this reaction is neutralization reaction. इसके लिए भी हम एक activity perform कर सकते हैं. We'll take a beaker. Similarly, in which we'll take black color powder of copper oxide. This is copper oxide, which is actually black in color. ठीक है? And then we will add dilute acid into it. हमने add किया dilute H2SO4. Slowly you will observe the color of the solution starts changing to blue. Why? Because when this reaction will take place, this copper oxide reacts with H2SO4. It forms CuSO4 and H2O. So this CuSO4 is actually actually blue color salt. Okay, so when this reaction will take place, this copper oxide reacts with this acid, it forms salt, and water in the solution turns to blue color. Okay, so whenever, what you will write here, because metallic oxides are basic in nature, so when they react with acid, they form salt and water. Okay, then the next property is the reaction of acid with metal carbonate. Metal carbonate. Here we can run this. Now, what are metal carbonates? Carbonate आयन आपने 9th क्लास में हमने आपको वैलेंसीज और सिंबल्स लर्न कराए थे. Carbonate means CO3. जब कोई एसिड किसी भी मेटल कार्बोनेट सच एज कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, सोडियम कार्बोनेट, मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट, किसी भी कार्बोनेट में जब हम कोई एसिड डालते हैं, देन इट लिबरेट्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ठीक है, इट लिबरेट्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन Na2CO3 reacts with HCl. ठीक है, Na2CO3 sodium carbonate, when it reacts with acid, it forms 2NaCl plus water and liberate carbon dioxide. जब कभी भी आप किसी भी मेटल कार्बोनेट में एसिड डालोगे, इट प्रोड्यूसेस ब्रिस्क एफर्वेसेंस ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ब्रिस्क का मतलब कि जब भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज होती है, इट कम्स आउट विद अ झाग. ठीक है, विद द झाग, थोड़ी सी आवाज के साथ ऐसे करके रिलीज होती है. जैसे आप कोल्ड ड्रिंक खोलते हो तो फिज निकलती है, सेम टाइप ऑफ गैस रिलीज व्हेन मेटल कार्बोनेट रिएक्ट्स विद एसिड. So when metal carbonate reacts with acid, it forms salt, water and liberate carbon dioxide. अगर metal carbonate की जगह हम metal bicarbonate या hydrogen carbonate लेते हैं, such as sodium bicarbonate, which is also known as baking soda, then this also reacts with acid to form same product, that is sodium chloride plus water and release carbon dioxide. That means whenever metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate reacts with acid, it forms salt, water and carbon dioxide. So these are the some chemical properties of acid. ये आप घर पे भी देख सकते हो. थोड़ा सा बेकिंग सोडा लो किसी कप में and add some vinegar or some lemon juice. It will produce fizz. That means it produces brisk effervescence of carbon dioxide, क्योंकि विनेगर में एसिटिक एसिड होता है और लेमन में सिट्रिक एसिड होता है. So these are some chemical properties of acid. Now the chemical properties of base, and further we discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.